Well, welcome back one more time. We are in Maranello. This is Hot Rod Hangout with the Italian edition. And we are actually in the Ferrari Museum and the factory here in Maranello, Italy, which is wickedly cool. So I'll take you through a quick walk here for our last port 4 of this Italian Hot Rod Hangout. Some pretty cool stuff in here. Man, oh man. The office of Enzo Ferrari. We talked in our last part about his home where his father had his workshop and where Enzo did a lot of growing up. There's Enzo's desk right there. Let's go for a quick walk through the place. 812 GTS. Look at that. Aluminum chassis, I believe. I could spend hours in this place. There's a lot to see and check out. Supercar time. Wow. The GTO from 1984. There's another, poster on the wall for a lot of kids. Isn't that spectacular? Supercar stuff. V8 this time. Again, an F4. I had an F40 poster on my wall for certain when I was a kid. Look at that wing. And a clear cover. Like a racing car you could take on the street. Isn't that nuts? And the F50 arrived in 95 with a V12 in it. The engine's on display, obviously. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Yeah. Cool to see that actually in person. Enzo Ferrari right there. Enzo Ferrari. That's it. La Ferrari in 2013 came out. This was a crazy car when it came out. I remember this. I remember like watching Top Gear and things like that when this came out. Man, oh man. I saw one of these in the other showroom too. SF90 XX Stradale 2023. What a crazy cool place. Tour keeps going through here. Let's keep moving. Ferrari 812. Again, all of the colors and look at this one. Wicked red. Racing stripes, blue seats. Lots of warnings about not touching anything. The SP8. 2023. It's not a red Ferrari, which is surprising. On display here. Yeah, that's cool. Punch the design work that went into the car. SP8. And we'll go down, I think. Stick with us. I'll bring you as much as I can here from this museum for Hot Rod Hangout. It's a little bit of a different flavor. Nice. Here we can take on that. The injector. Oh, we're going back in time right now. Back to roaring 50s. Ferrari 315S. And when I was a kid, I played with a toy, which was a Ferrari 166. It was actually my dad's. It was a little plastic toy. I think I pushed it through the dirt and in the sandbox, never realizing exactly what it was, but this was it. This was the plastic toy that I had. It's amazing the information they provide you here. Like the testing track from the 50s. And then this is the victory room. Their helmets. Wow. Michael Schumacher. All the trophies in here. Look at this. Look at that. $1985, 1999, 2000, 2001 winning F2001, F2002, 2004, 07. And the 2020 right there. Wow. It says continue to visit. There's even more out here. Where am I going? I don't even know. You're literally walking with me as I'm just going through this museum, so I really don't have any idea. It looks like there's more down here. Welcome to Italy. We've got to go outside. Here goes. Scuderia Ferrari, the history. And some old stuff too here. Wow. 166 mm Berlinetta Vignale. I love those. Just the right color interior. Leather strap holding the steering wheel down. Or the spare tire, I should say. Oh, it's amazing. You got the entire history right up here. 268 SP from 1962. Look at that nose. Wild. Ferrari Daytona in here. Ferrari 330P4. We wrap up with 2018's F1 SF Sept Screaming V6. Well, it looks like that's kind of the exit for everything in here. Pretty wild place. Hope you enjoyed this special Italian version of Hot Rod Hangout from Italy, Modena, Bologna, Maranello. Lots to see and do here. It's been a really fun time for me. Hope you've enjoyed looking at a little bit of it. We'll be back to normal Hot Rod Hangouts next week, looking at what's in the showroom again. Just a little treat for you here out of Italy. Ciao and arrivederci. See you next week.